This is another spot at the same state park. And people come out here and bring their boats. Go fishing, crabbing, that kind of thing. Looks like a seagull. Another one. Little duck. They just had a boat pull off. It's usually pretty busy around here, but I guess everybody's coming in maybe. Just trying to get that bird in. A lot of birds out. I don't know if my camera's picking up any of them. Some little greenery. I'll go to the end. Try to hold on a little bit. I don't want to fall. Nice day to take a boat ride. That would have been fun. Okay, I'll talk to y'all later, guys. Have a good one.